What's going on, everybody? So today, Kale and Dom actually pretty much ran most of the video. I just got off work, so I came to join Kale because Dom had to go to work. They pretty much plastied up Dom's wheels white because they were gray and black before, so I believe it looks much better now, but I'll show you guys when on the big unveil. But before we get this video started, if you guys could leave a like, it'd very much help me and the channel out a lot. And if you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, as again, it does help me and the channel a lot. Hopefully, they did a good job on the filming portion, because I wasn't here for any of it, and let's just get it started.
Introduce yourself.
No.
You have to.
Why?
People are just gonna hear content and not know it's Marcus.
I don't want to.
It's his YouTube channel, you kinda have to.
Oh. Do I have to face myself?
You don't have to. You just put your hand in front. Hi, I'm Dom. Is it recording still?
Yes.
Yeah. People know who I am.
Hi, Marcus.
Myself.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You were like, hi.
Yeah. So
I don't even know what to say.
Hi guys, I'm Dom. I'm a new addition to the team.
Hey guys, I'm Dom. I'm a new addition to the team. Here I'm going to give you guys a closer look of what I'm doing. So I first put the plastic bag over the wheels and I made it really nice and tight and even at the top so that it was nice and easy to cut around. I just used scissors instead of an X-Acto knife because I didn't want to like cut the rubber or scratch the rims. And then after that, once I have like the whole entire circle off, I just grab a huge long piece of tape like that and then I just put it around facing up. As you guys can see, it's still up, and then I cut little lines into it to make it different sections, and then just put the lines down like that. Okay, cut this part out.
Oh, yeah, you would. Unless he wants it for a blooper reel.
So, as you guys can see, it is nice. So as you guys can see, the tape is nice and flush with the outside of the tire, and now none of the white paint is gonna get on the outside of the tire and look weird. So I'm gonna keep doing that with Kale to all 4 tires, and then we'll get back to you, yeah.
Appreciate it. It was pretty good, actually.
Hell yeah.
How do you like them?
Ooh. Ooh, they look so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
More coats, less coats, anything?
We put
How many coats did you guys do?
7, but a fat, heavy coat on the last one Marcus did.
Jesus.
Yeah, so I made sure to
There's the
drench it.
can there. Look how much is left when we just bought it. It's beside the bowl. Yeah.
Yeah, that was
That was
can
a new
number
one.
3.
Oh my god.
That was a new one.
Yeah, that was 2 coats. We laid it on very heavy.
That's good. No, they look good. I think we're good.
But yeah, it was extremely textured before.
Here's the bill.
It was extremely textured before. We laid it on heavy, so it's not as like.
And it filled in most of the plastic dip peeling.
Yeah.
Which looks nice.
It looked like grated before. There was bumps everywhere. It was like it was
All
like
you gotta
porous.
do is just add more coats.
If you want to, yeah.
I mean,
I like you hyping yourself up in the video, by the way. I am putting it in.
what? The part where you're like, I was like, Dom, you should introduce yourself. What am I supposed to say? Hi, I'm Dom. Welcome to the crew. I'm a new addition.
Just like that.
When you start.
No, that's great.
This is my favorite. I hope he doesn't put this in.
It's like, Marcus, please don't put this in.
Whatever.
You bet your ass I'm gonna put it in. Well, yeah, I am gonna finish the video when they're on the car, just so we can see it.
So when you put them on in April, text us and we'll put them on, and you have to do the video.
So we're just gonna pretty much unwrap the tape. We'll show you that portion, but we will not be revealing it for me another almost month. For you, it'll be like 1 second. But we're gonna take the tape off. You did a very good job, and so did you. I'm happy to at least be a part of this. So we'll show you the rest of the montage, then we'll show you when it gets unveiled. So this is the move, you stupid, stupid. Hey, I hate you. Hey. I hate you. Move. So this is the car after the wheels are on. I think it looks absolutely amazing.
Yes, sir.
Looks good. Looks good. Cold thumbs up. Perfect. Canadian weather. But everything ties together really well, especially with the white on the black. And then he has a lot of plans for the rest of the car to go black and white. You said you wanted. Okay, after you hit the rocks, you said you have a lot more plans for the black and white, right?
Yeah, so I want to get, I'm not sure what I want to do with the Ford logo, but I know that the ST are going white. Besides that, I have sequentials coming in for the blinker, like the side mirror blinker thingies.
It should look good. I'm pretty pumped to see this car when it's actually like car show ready. Like that's the plan for it this season. Everything looks really good. All of them turned out really nice until you get very close up and you see there was some old Plasti dip that never came off, because whoever did the Plasti dip last time, I don't know if they ruined it or what happened, but it was brutal taking it off. I'm assuming you guys saw that in the video. So everything looks really good. I like the sticker you added. I think it looks really good as well. It ties everything together beautifully. But yeah, the white ST logo is the next plan, and then I don't know what you want to do with the rear Ford logo, if you want to do the same thing.
I literally have no idea yet. Maybe white too?
We'll figure it out. And we'll see when the time comes. But after you guys did the video, you guys did a pretty good job. I looked back through the clips, so good job to you guys.
Subscribe.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe. It does help me in the channel a lot. And if you like this video, please leave a like, as again, it does help me in the channel a lot. Dom and Kale's links will be in the description below if you want to go follow their Instagram. They're both pretty much trying to grow at the same time I am. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.